This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Lisa Campbell. Fantastic low maintenance home on large level lot 0.42 acre, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, gleaming hardwood floors, kitchen west/oak cabinetry and breakfast area, sunroom west/lot of natural light could be multipurpose, attic storage, central heat/air equals less than 1 year, aluminum seamless guttering and downspouts installed by Leafguard of Knoxville, west/wraparound hood, on front left side equals 1 month, new vinyl shutters just installed, fenced backyard, concrete patio, 2-car carport, convenient to area shopping/restaurants and schools, minutes to I-75, downtown, and UT, walking distance to the Busline. Make this your new peaceful place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Campbell at 865-687-1111.